Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best barber shears is probably one of the most important tools in a barber's arsenal. From precision cuts to seamless blending, the right shears can elevate your haircutting game. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of barber shears, exploring different types, materials, and features to help you find the perfect pair that suits your needs and budget. Get ready to discover the secrets to achieving professional quality haircuts. Number 5. Equinox 6.5 Hair Cutting Scissors, Ice-Tempered. These professional hair scissors are designed for sharp and precise cuts. You'll get perfect results every time, especially when using them with cutting shears. The sleek stainless steel design keeps hair clutter to a minimum. This makes cleanup a breeze after every haircut, saving you time and effort. These shears come with finger inserts and a finger rest. This design provides ultimate comfort and control, making it easier to achieve the perfect cut. This brand is known for its top-notch quality and durability. It's a favorite among hair enthusiasts, ensuring you get a reliable tool. You can count on this company for high-quality, dependable hair cutting scissors. They are designed to get the job done right, every single time. What we like. These shears offer sharp and precise cuts every time, making them perfect for any hair enthusiast. The sleek design keeps the mess to a minimum, and the trusted quality ensures they'll last. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use pair of scissors, you should consider these. What people say. They're easy to use, have a nice weight, and feel like good quality. The blades are super sharp and cut through hair smoothly. They cut cleanly and smoothly without any issues. Number 4. Equinox 6.5 Razor Edge Hair Cutting Scissors. These Equinox scissors are made from high-quality Japanese stainless steel. The blades are precisely tempered and hand-sharpened for a perfect cut every time. Designed with a curved finger rest and comfortable finger holes, these scissors are a dream to use. They are perfect for long hours of cutting, whether you're a professional or a home stylist. Measuring 6.5 inches, these shears are safe and easy to use on anyone. It is suitable for men, women, children, and even babies. Weighing only 3.5 ounces, these shears are a breeze to handle. The adjustable screw allows you to fine-tune the tension to suit your needs. The Equinox hair cutting shears come vacuum-sealed in protective plastic. Remember to wash them with gentle soap and lukewarm water, then dry with a soft cloth. What we like. Crafted from Japanese stainless steel, these scissors offer both durability and precision. The ergonomic design ensures comfort for extended use, and the versatile design makes them suitable for everyone. If you like a comfortable and precise cutting experience, you should consider these. What people say. They're easy to use, have a nice weight, and feel like good quality. The blades are super sharp and cut through hair smoothly. They cut cleanly and smoothly without any issues. They maintain their sharpness for a reasonable amount of time, and the size and weight feel very comfortable in hand. They work great, have a comfortable grip, some nice weight to them, and are super sharp. Number 3. Equinox Razor Edge Hair Cutting Scissors Set. Introducing the Equinox Razor Edge series, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their hair styling. This set includes both cutting and thinning shears, suitable for all hair types and lengths. It's a great choice for both professionals and home users. These barber scissors are hand-forged from premium Japanese stainless steel, ensuring they are durable and long-lasting. The razor-sharp blades provide precise cuts every time, making the process easy and efficient. The set includes thinning shears, ideal for texturizing and adding volume to hair. With an easy grip handle, these scissors provide comfort and control, allowing for confident and stylish haircuts. Designed with a golden painted adjustment screw for easy tension customization. Weighing only 3.5 ounces, these scissors are light and easy to handle, ensuring a smooth cutting experience. Your purchase is backed by Amazon's guarantee. The scissors are vacuum-packed and coated with lubricating oil for protection. Simply wash with gentle soap and lukewarm water before first use. What we like. This set includes both cutting and thinning shears, perfect for all your styling needs. Made from durable Japanese steel, they promise longevity and precision. If you are looking for a complete set to elevate your hair styling skills, you should consider this. What people say. They're easy to use, have a nice weight, and feel like good quality. The blades are super sharp and cut through hair smoothly. They cut cleanly and smoothly without any issues. They maintain their sharpness for a reasonable amount of time, and the size and weight feel very comfortable in hand. They work great, have a comfortable grip, some nice weight to them, and are super sharp. Number 2. ULG Professional Hair Cutting Scissors and Thinning Shears Kit. These ULG hair scissors are crafted from 100% Japanese stainless steel. The hand-sharpened edges ensure a smooth trim, preventing any damage or split ends. Please note, these scissors are designed for right-handed users. The ULG hair cutting scissors provide a clean and precise cut every time. The design includes luxurious blue diamond stones and a mirror polish finish. This is perfect for breaking up blunt edges or trimming bangs. These thinning shears feature 30 teeth on one side, efficiently thinning hair. They are ideal for adding layers, thinning thick hair, or texturizing for stylish looks. This will help you achieve the perfect look. The offset grip design reduces strain on your thumb and wrist. This ergonomic design offers effortless comfort, making it perfect for salon professionals and home users alike. It allows for extended use without discomfort. You'll receive one hair cutting scissor and one hair thinning shear, along with a 12-month warranty. It's normal to see slight fingerprints or oil stains from the hand polishing process. This ensures the highest quality. What we like. Made from Japanese stainless steel, these scissors offer superior quality and sharpness. The ergonomic offset grip provides ultimate comfort and control. If you have thick hair or are looking for a comfortable grip, you should consider them. What people say. The shears are very sharp and cut hair very well. The design is great and the shears feel very comfortable in my hand. The shears are of great quality and work very well. Number 1. 7.0 Black Hair Cutting and Thinning Scissors Set. These scissors feature a sharp, convex edge for smooth and stable cutting. The thinning scissors have meticulously crafted teeth that are sharp and won't snag hair. Made from high-quality 6CR stainless steel, these scissors are durable and sharp. Each pair undergoes a meticulous polishing and grinding process for superior quality and longevity. The ergonomic design ensures the scissors fit your fingers perfectly, providing a comfortable grip. Many users have praised how comfortable it is to hold these scissors. Each set includes an adjustment key, allowing you to customize the tightness of the scissors. This feature ensures optimal performance and a personalized cutting experience. As a professional manufacturer, we are confident in the product's quality. That's why we offer a 3-month unconditional return policy. If you're not satisfied, you can easily return them. What we like. The sharp convex edge ensures smooth and stable cutting, while the durable stainless steel guarantees longevity. The adjustable tightness allows you to customize the feel. If you like a set that is easy to adjust and comfortable to hold, you should consider this. What people say. They are extremely sharp, so be careful. I just love how perfect they're for cutting hair and also with the feather blade and thinning shears for texture. I also like how they came pre-oiled to keep the blades sharp. They cut through the hair like nothing. The case is really nice feeling and very sturdy. Sturdier than most shears cases that come with. The shears and razor are great. I love the feel, weight, and contours of the razor. The shears came out of the box smooth. The tools are sturdy, well balanced, and oh so very sharp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.